Aloha, welcome to Ahualoa Family Farms here in Honokaa, Hawaii. My name is Chad Cleveland. I'm a fourth generation farmer. Agriculture and farming is a way of life for me. It's extreme passion and it's in my blood. Aloha. So here we have a fully mature macadamia nut tree with its beautiful flowers. Each one of these individual flowers gets pollinated and will yield a cluster of nuts just like you see here. Once they're ripe, they naturally fall to the ground. We don't pick them, we don't shake them. They naturally fall to the ground about 6 months from flower to mature nut. Once they fall to the ground, they're the bright green. This is the husk. It's a fibrous, fleshy layer. It'll dry within a few days and split open. And then we have equipment in our factory that will remove this husk, which becomes a great compost source, and expose that shell on the inside. Now, the kernel that we all love to eat is still inside there, so there's further cracking and processing to extract that kernel. So it takes a lot of work, but it's a labor of love. We put our hearts and souls in this, and this is why we have the best macadamia nuts in town, right here at Ahualoa Family Farms.
Aloha and welcome to the Nut House at Ahualoa Family Farms. We are located on Mamane Street in a cute little town called Honokaa. You can see us right before you hit Waipio Valley. We're in a bright yellow building with a black shaka on it. So if you see us, come on in.
Aloha, welcome to Ahualoa Family Farms Mini Kitchen Series. I'm Zeph Renee, and today we'll be making a mac nut smoothie bowl. Today's ingredients include our gourmet diced macadamia nuts, fresh strawberries, a ripened banana, our honey macadamia nut spread, our local hilo honey, our Ahualoa Family Farms sweetened oats, hemp hearts, chia seed, as well as a fruit sorbet or frozen berries.
So we're going to take our macadamia nut mix here that you can find on our shop and online.
Aloha, this is a place on our farm where we turn all of our waste into gold. After the cracking process, we have all of our shell we bring here. It's a very, very hard, extremely hard material, very tough to crack, very hard to break down, takes many, many years to break down. So we let it sit here in these somewhat compost piles, and it slowly lets Mother Nature do its thing, breaks it down. We come in and then grind it up, and we're able to mix it in with our compost to make a nice soil amendment to then go back out on the farms that are giving us the macadamia nuts.
Aloha! Welcome to Ahualoa Family Farms. Today we are making our most favorite macadamia nut butter. It's one of our spreads that we sell here, and it's only 3 ingredients. So what we have done is we've already went through the process of pureeing everything and getting it into this nice little spread state. And at this point, what we're doing is just sanitizing the jars so we can go ahead and seal them and get them ready for sale for you guys. Aloha!
And today we'll be making a macadamia nut parfait. Much as you'd like. And there's that honey drizzle right there. Delish.
And today we'll be teaching you how to make macadamia nut fudge brownies. All right, folks, you have here our macadamia nut fudge brownies. And today we'll be making banana mac nut muffin. Notice that beautiful toasted macadamia nut at the top there.
And today I'll be teaching you how to make macadamia nut matcha bites. Aloha, welcome to Ahualoa Family Farms Mini Kitchen Series. I'm Zeph Renee, and today we'll be making a mac nut smoothie bowl.
and today we'll be teaching you how to make macadamia nut pesto.
On the breathtaking Hamakua coast of Hawaii's Big Island, our farming family, 4 generations strong, tends to this land with care and aloha. At Ahualoa Family Farms, we proudly grow these macadamia nut and coffee trees. But it's more than that. It's where we call home. We are rooted in tradition and love for the Aina. Once harvested, our nuts journey to Hawaii's oldest macadamia nut factory, a living piece of history we've brought back to life. Here, the husks are removed, the nuts dried, wrapped, and carefully sorted. In our certified kitchen, the macadamias are transformed into gourmet treats, seasoned, glazed, and packed fresh for you. Each buttery bite is rich with flavor, crafted with our hearts and souls. Living aloha means caring for our land, our workers, and our community. It's our honor to revitalize macadamia nut farming and share this passion with the world. From our ohana to yours and this nut house to yours, let's go nuts!